In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a broadcast in AWeber. If you've already written an email and you're ready to send it at the perfect time, scheduling a broadcast ensures it reaches your audience when they're most likely to engage. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing, and share a few simple tips to help you feel confident before you click schedule. First, locate your message. In your AWeber account, head to the Messages tab and select Drafts. This is where AWeber stores emails you've created but haven't sent yet. If you don't see the message you're looking for, make sure it's saved as a draft. Open the message if you want to do a quick final review, then return to the drafts list so you can schedule it. Next, open the scheduler. Find the draft you want to send and click the schedule button. If you don't see that option right away, click the three dots next to the message title and choose schedule there. Both paths take you to the same scheduling panel where you'll set your send time and other options. Now set the date and time. Click choose date to pick when the message should go out. Select the calendar date, choose the time, and confirm the correct time zone. If your audience spans multiple regions, consider setting the time zone to where the majority of your subscribers are, or choose a time that typically performs well for your list. Double-check AM and PM to avoid early morning surprises, and keep daylight saving changes in mind when planning ahead. Define your audience. Under Audience, click Edit to choose exactly who should receive this broadcast. You can target a specific segment of subscribers or select different lists, depending on how you organize your contacts. Take a moment to confirm your selection so the message goes only to the people you intend. Clear targeting helps improve engagement and reduces unnecessary sends. Configure your options. Here, you can enable features like social sharing and click tracking. Social sharing can publish your message to connected social platforms, extending your reach beyond email. Click tracking records when subscribers interact with links, giving you valuable insight into performance after the send. Finally, when everything looks right, click the Schedule Broadcast button. You'll see a confirmation that your message is queued for the time you chose. That's it. Your email is set to go out on schedule, giving you more control and consistency in your email marketing without needing to be online at send time.